Welcome kids, let's draw alphabets. This is A. A for apple. Let's draw an apple. Yes, we are drawing an apple. Good. Now let's color the alphabet. This is red color. And we are coloring alphabet A. Now let's color apple. This is red color. This is brown color and this is green color. This is alphabet B. B for ball. B for ball. Now let's draw a ball. This is a ball. Now let's color. This is yellow color. And we are coloring B. Now let's color the ball. We are coloring ball. This is sky blue color. And this is sky blue color. And we are coloring ball. This is C. C for cake. We are drawing a cake. Let's draw a cake. Let's draw a candle on cake. This is orange color and we are coloring cake. This is baby pink color. Good. Now color alphabet C. This is sky blue color. Thank you kids. Thanks for watching.